Good afternoon, it's Jay Will back with another video. Just a quick video update on my same campaign I've been running for the past 10 days. Let's get it. Alright, so far today, let me see. I spent between these two ads, spent about $93 today. Got about 18 clicks, a high click-through rate at 20%, which is very good. My average cost per click is about $5.18. Let's swing over to digistore24, log in. Let's go. Today's the 25th, Monday. January 25th, Monday. Made about 161 bucks so far, and I spent 93 bucks. So we're gonna do 161 minus the 93 bucks I spent on ad spend. Made about $68 today so far. That's just a quick update. I mean, every day you're not gonna make, a lot of sales. I only made 2 sales today, I believe. As you can see in the past couple of days, yesterday I made 462, the day before 276, and even hit 600 bucks the day before that. So, it's going up and down. I have more clickbank videos coming within the next few weeks. I'm gonna do some more case studies, but in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram. Let's go.